Silence. Do you hear it? It is the hushed anticipation before a powerful revelation. The snap of a finger, the twinkle of an eye, and time seems to keep passing by, stopping for no one. Pardon my manners. Good evening, distinguished guests, parents, guardians, teachers, governors, well-wishers, and my dear classmates. It is a privilege to stand before you all this evening to celebrate our hard work, unwavering dedication, and steadfast diligence. Thank you all very much for your presence. I'd like you to think of me as Santa Claus this evening, not because I'm wearing red, but because I've got a message for each and every one of us sat here this evening. To the parents, guardians, well-wishers, and siblings too. You are the OGs, and we're deeply grateful to you. With patience so bare, you've shaped our journey with tender, loving care. Your encouragement and belief in us means much more than words can convey. But we are grateful to have you in our lives today. As we venture forth into a world so wide, know that your love and guidance will be our constant guide. With deep gratitude and love from the core, we love you and we cherish you even more. In every heartbeat, in every new start, you will always be cherished deep in our hearts. To our amazing teachers, with patience, wisdom, and endless care, you have taught us lessons beyond compare. When we were lost, you were our guide. When we were scared, you stood by our side. I remember in one of my classes, I had a question, I just wanted the answer. So I called my teacher over, hoping for a little enhancer. Long story short, this woman gave me nothing. Because like every teacher, she wanted me to think, to question, to explore, guiding me to wisdom, knowledge, and always seeking more. Dear teachers, as we leave the school behind, know that your lessons will stay in mind. Your kindness was always the cure, so Dio Kinfariel, your impact was pure. Thank you, dear teachers, for your steady pace. One love to you all, forever and always. To the non-academic staff, you may not have stood in front of the class, but your efforts have made us surpass. From the canteen, to the examination hall, to the reception, to the school's front gate, your presence has made our days great. Without you, none of this would be. You are the root of this family's tree. A bond of gratitude we present to you, deep and true. We thank you for all you've done and for all that you do. To St. David's Catholic College, of course you had to be acknowledged. For shaping your minds and preparing us for the future, you have taken care of us like a steadfast tutor. Your halls are filled with knowledge and grace, helping us to find our own special place. Through every lesson and every prayer that we share, you have shown us a future that is bright and fair. Bless you. In gratitude we stand, proud and strong, because thanks to you, St. David's College, our journey can't go wrong. Finally, to my dear classmates, there is no sweet talk for you. I'm just going to keep it real and true. Clap, clap, clap. That's probably what you want to hear. A pat in the back and perhaps a loud cheer. Well, congratulations, you've made it this far. That goes to show how courageous you are. But don't lose focus, dear classmates. Keep your eyes on the target because it's not yet over. You see, today is not just a celebration of what we've done, but a celebration of what we are about to do. Life is a journey, so they say. But today, we stand at a crossroad where the journey of our education meets the endless roads of our future. Tip of advice, drop the pride and be willing to learn, dear classmates. Don't resist the discipline from the adults around you. I promise they mean no harm because they've been here before. Once upon a time, they were in your shoes, looking at the future with expectant hope and with the exact same twinkle in your eyes today. Every day is not going to be a good day. This journey is not going to be a smooth one. You probably already know that by now. Like a baby learning to walk, you will fall, and you will bruise your knees and you will cry. The feeling of failure may take over your your body and make you question the life that you had. The feeling of anxiety may creep over you like a shadow, slowly engulfing the room and wrapping itself around your thoughts until every corner of your mind is shrouded in doubt. Endless questions will arise here and there. But what if I'm never good enough? What if I don't become successful? What if I'm left behind? What if I this and what if I that? Just stop. Take a deep breath. Hold it in, and then let it out. Everybody falls sometimes, and that's okay, because it's the rainy days that help us love the sun. It's the lows in life that help us to cherish the highs. And when you find no shoulder to cry on, there'll always be a floor for you to kneel and pray, and a God to listen to what you have to say. So trust in the Lord with all your heart, and from his wisdom, do not depart. Prioritize yourself, your well-being, dear classmates. In a world that often demands more than we can give, it is crucial to take care of you. You see, self-love isn't always face masks, bubble baths, your favorite ice cream, and your favorite TV show. Sometimes it's crying yourself to sleep and then showing up for yourself the very next day. It is showing up angry, showing up tired, showing up unmotivated, but showing up anyways. Convincing yourself that you do not matter is like feeding a cancer and letting it travel to every part of you until you are utterly consumed. Believe in yourself even when no one believes in you. Because if you don't believe in you, why would you think or expect anybody else that's around you to? Stand tall, chest out, be brave, be who you were made to be, and you will set the damn world on fire. What is achievable depends on the risk you're willing to take. So pick up your chin and listen to this for your own sake. With every step we've grown and learned, and for this day our hearts have yearned. Through late night study and endless tests, we've overcome challenges and done our very best. Together we have conquered, so together we will rise. Onward we will go, reaching new skies. Take care of yourselves, dear classmates. You can only be successful in a good state. Drink enough water and make a concerted effort to keep your body active. Build good habits to make you stay productive and attractive. And before I leave this stage today, may I have the liberty to say that what we do from here will define not just who we are, but who we will become. So, dear classmates, who will we become? Thank you.